Imagine this. You've spent years polishing every flaw, masking every weakness, crafting an image of effortless superiority. The world admires you, yet their admiration curdles into resentment. Whispers follow you, too arrogant, too untouchable. Nietzsche warned of this. In the end, they will gnaw at the perfection they demanded. Why does humanity despise the flawless? What dark psychology twists admiration into envy? The answer lies in a law as old as power itself, one that demands you never appear too perfect. The flaw in perfection is this: it isolates. Nietzsche saw it first. The higher man is hated because he seems to despise. Jung called it the shadow's revenge, the unconscious backlash against those who deny their humanity. Schopenhauer knew it too. Envy is the tax excellence pays. Society demands idols, then shatters them, not because they fail, but because they refuse to. To be untouchable is to be alone, and power cannot thrive in solitude. This silent war plays out everywhere. The genius dismissed as cold, the leader branded out of touch, the artist whose brilliance becomes a barrier. Cognitive biases twist admiration. The halo effect corrupts into suspicion. The tall poppy syndrome demands your fall. Culture worships the myth of the relatable underdog, not the untouchable god. To seem flawless is to invite sabotage, for humanity fears what it cannot humanize. Your perfection becomes your cage. The escape is deliberate humanity. Caesar wept in public. Da Vinci left sketches unfinished. Nietzsche himself wrote, "I am not a man, I am dynamite," yet reveled in his contradictions. Strategically reveal struggle. A flaw disarms, a setback endears. Let them glimpse the weight of your craft, the cost of your mastery. Power thrives in the balance, admired but not distant, exceptional but not inhuman. Your weakness, wielded well, becomes your shield. Here lies the paradox. True power demands imperfection, not as failure, but as alchemy, transforming envy into loyalty, suspicion into trust. The master does not hide weakness. They curate it. Nietzsche's greatest insight was this: to live is to suffer. To survive is to find meaning in the suffering. Let them see you endure, and you become not a threat, but a mirror. The flawless are feared. The human who strives, stumbles, and rises is followed.